how's it going? I am Louis the Average Guy in 1983. Today I'm going to be doing a quick little video. A fellow viewer was asking if I can be able to demonstrate how to remove and reinstall the Qiolor battery pack that you can see at the top of the e-bike. This is a Qiolor Tiger MT20, and it does have the 48 volt 35 amp hour battery pack right at the top, so it's pretty much the maxed out model. I'm pretty sure that right here in the bottom here, you can probably install a secondary battery so that you can actually increase your range, but you would have to be able to wire it so that you can have both batteries connected at the same time. With that said though, we are going to be focusing on just removing the battery and reinstalling it. So let me go ahead and zoom in as much as I can, and I'll go ahead and show you guys how to do that. Alrighty, ladies and gents, and we're now in front of the battery pack here. So what I wanted to just show you guys was just how to insert the key, which is super simple. You just put the key in here this way, and then what you do is you turn it clockwise. Now, it does have a tension on it, so if you let go of the key, it goes back to normal. So you definitely need to hold on to the key as you're pushing the battery forward in this direction. So all we got to do now, with both hands, push it forward as you have the key open, and then go ahead and let go of the key and it stays open, and then you can go ahead and move the battery. And to reinstall it, just put it back on its track and then slide it backwards. It clicks on and it's reinstalled. Very simple. So I hope that helps out anybody that's trying to figure out how to install and basically remove the Qiolor battery. If this is helpful to you, make sure to hit the thumbs up button so that it can help other people find this simple solution. Alrighty guys, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.